Green Mango Atjar. Green mangoes preserved in spiced oil. A side dish from South Africa. You will need 9 ingredients. Serves for Step 1. Peel the mangoes and remove flesh from the seeds. Cut fruit into 1-inch cubes. Step 2. Combine the salt and water in a deep bowl and stir until salt dissolves. Drop the mangoes into the brine, cover tightly, and set aside at room temp for up to 1 day. Drain well and pack them into 1 quart jar or crock. Step 3. In a small saucepan, heat 1/4 cup of the oil over low heat. Add the curry powder and turmeric and sauté for 1 minute. Add the chili peppers, garlic, and fenugreek. Stir in constantly. Pour in the remaining 1/4 cups of oil.